排队排了好久。
That's really cool.
Servus everyone, long time no see. Welcome to our vlog, which is
见手举欧洲.
and today we came to Dachstein for snowshoe hiking.
It's the highest mountain of Upper Austria. It's almost 3,000 meters high. In the back you will see later there's also a glacier. So also when you come here in summer it looks totally different. Perfect for hiking, but you will always have ice here at the back of this mountain.
Some people might say, okay, snowshoe hiking is not as exciting as skiing, but actually I think first you don't have to learn it. Even if you have never done it, it's no problem. And second, you always can keep your eyes open to awesome landscape, and I think it's perfect for photography.
Let's go, let's do snowshoe hiking.
Let's go!
The benefit with hiking with snowshoes is that they have a better profile, and you can go like the mountain up and down in a more safe way. And also if there's like very deep snow, you don't sink into that snow that much.
And it's also a lot of workout, by the way.
Yes.
我们跟着一路的标记来到这个地方是叫 Five Fingers， 因为它有5个像指头一样伸出山崖的这个通道，然后远处你看到的那个下面山脚下就是特别有名的哈尔施塔特那个小镇。当然这个地方是看不太清楚的，因为它特别的小，但是就这么近的距离，然后除了哈尔施塔特，后面就是整个盐湖区。盐湖区不是说这个湖是盐湖，而是这个地区产盐，然后又有很多湖泊，所以叫盐湖区。然后这个地方冬天夏天都可以来，很漂亮，而且其实脚下我可以直接看到山脚下面，就是很酷。今天这个天气真的是来滑雪或者是 snowshoe hiking 的，是 perfect 天气，因为太阳特别好，很暖和，所以你可以滑一段走一段之后呢，就来山上这样的一个小餐厅喝一杯咖啡，吃一个午餐，喝一杯啤酒。然后今天我点的是那个 schnitzel， 就不是每次在奥地利都要吃香肠，在奥地利其实除了香肠还有很多好吃的，比如说 schnitzel。OK， 我们开饭吧。
So we just finished our snowshoe hiking. It was really amazing. We saw many other people, even with children, with dogs. So it's really recommended. You don't have to be an expert at skiing. Yeah, really awesome. And if you don't like snowshoe hiking, you can also come here just for normal skiing, for snowboarding.
Right. Because there's Austria. Because they were saying like for children, they learn walking first, and then learn skiing, and then learn talking. So it's really awesome. And we enjoyed the awesome view. So I really love it.
Yeah. So if you also like it, please like it, follow us, subscribe, share it also with your friends, and hope we see you next time.
Yeah. Let's see where we'll go next time. Bye bye.
Bye.